In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use onekeycash in Vrbo. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Vrbo website. Vrbo is a well-known platform for booking vacation home rentals, perfect for everything from beach houses to cozy cabins or city condos. It's a popular choice for travelers seeking comfort and style during their stays. Once you're on the Vrbo homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted. This will make your navigation process smoother. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the page and click on Sign In. This is where you'll input your login details. It's important to note that if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. This process is straightforward, and having an account will allow you to access all the features, including onekeycash. Make sure you have your username and password handy for quick access. Once you've signed into your account, head back to the Vrbo homepage. On the top navigation bar, you should see your profile icon, or maybe even your name. Click on that. This will drop down a menu where you can access various account settings. Now select the profile option from this drop down menu. Once inside your profile, this is where you manage your personal information and account preferences such as preferred languages, communication settings, and more. Within your profile, you'll see an option labeled onekeycash. Go ahead and click on it. onekeycash is an innovative reward system from Vrbo, which allows you to earn points on your bookings that can be used for discounts on future travels. It's a great way to make your vacations even more affordable and enjoyable. By using onekeycash, you're essentially getting rewarded for the travels you already plan on taking. After clicking on onekeycash, you'll want to check out your rewards activity. There might be a separate section titled View Rewards Activity. Click on that to get a detailed overview of your points, how much you've earned, and details of any transactions. This is where you'll see all the past activity associated with onekeycash, helping you keep track of your loyalty points and plan your next vacation accordingly. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated through using onekeycash on Vrbo. With these points in your pocket, your next adventure could be closer than you think. Remember to sign into your account regularly to keep track of your rewards and to make the most of your future bookings. Thanks for watching and happy travels.